Good morning, friends, neighbors, traders. How are you today? This is Rick with Hit and Run Candlesticks. Today is Friday, June 26th. Yes, TGIF. Because it's Friday, this is a day that the Road to Wealth account, we start looking to take some profits and limit some risk out there. I found that's very good. I want to sleep over the weekend, and taking some risk off the table it just seems to help. But I do have some charts. Let's take a look at some charts. I have a couple announcements first. Ed Carter from Live Trading Alerts. He asked me to remind everybody that, what's the date? June 30th. On June 30th, the $97 price for the Live Trading Alert ends, and it will now be $147. So if you want to lock in that price so you're not charged more, grab it now before, July 1st. After July 1st, that price runs up to $147. But you will be grandfathered in. And Ed guarantees us that the price will not go up. And I'll put the link down below in the text below this video for anybody that wants to take advantage of that. Let's see, another quick little announcement, and I've got some charts coming up, so hang in there with me. On the Live Trading Alerts, that's right, he did tell me that. On Live Trading Alerts, there's been two new time frames added if you want them. One is the monthly, and one is the 2-minute. So for you day traders out there, that might be right up your alley. There's a 2-minute, 5-minute, 15-minute. So for day traders, that might be something that you just might be looking for. So keep that in mind. And all right, we're all done with that. There we go. We'll put that back. I also want to remind everybody, if you are watching this video and you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. This weekend, I will be posting a video that will give you the access to our trading room Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of next week, but it will be going out to subscribers. So please subscribe, and I will be posting a video for subscribers on how to get into the trading room for 3 days for free. That would be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday of next week. Alrighty, let's take a look at some charts. I've got a few charts. Well, let's start with a SPY, okay? First of all, we've got our trend indicator here, our green dots. See the green dots? And we've got two red dots. The trend indicator is turned a little red on us. The T-line is actually right at the edge of getting below the trend indicator line, and that's not where we want to be if we're bullish. I can see the morning futures, VXX is popping up a little bit. The SPY is down just a little bit. So there's a battle going on out there. We'll see how it all ends. There's a lot of COVID-19 cases popping up here, so we want to be careful. And I don't mean just be careful in the charts. Be careful in your life as well. Be cautious. No one wants to catch that thing, all right? No one wants to give it to anybody either, so let's just be careful. Okay, so here's the deal. If the bulls can take charge and move above about 309.16, 309.15, then we could see a challenge up here of 313.80, 85, right up in here. And then, of course, if the bulls can keep their momentum going, then we could see a challenge of that 317.30, and then, of course, a possible challenge of the top into new highs. Now, on the other hand, if the bulls can't keep their momentum going, if they can't get up there, then we're going to be looking at 360, 297.20, 292, and 292 and a quarter here. And that, we get down into this area here, if we start failing, that could put a real hurt on this market. So far, the bulls have been able to to fight back. The bulls have just not let the bears in very much at all. This right here, what we're having the last couple weeks here about is as close as the bears have come to hurting the bulls since this low down here on May 23rd. So we want to watch this, be very careful how this starts to handle itself. So I guess when it really comes down to it, $300.60 on the SPY is going to be critical. 309.15 on the SPY will be critical. That might give the indication which way the market's going to head here. I'm going to take a quick look at VXX. These are two charts I watch all day long. I watch VXX to see if the fear is coming in or leaving the market. Right now you can see right here the fear is low. Yesterday the fear was a little bit low. We opened up sort of mid-range up here and then we closed down. Lack of fear. Looks like we're going to be opening up approximately at 35.45, which is the low end of yesterday's fear. If the buyers in VXX can bring us up above 36.55 or so, that's where I would start to get a little worried. Now it's been pretty clear through here, right in here, that the buyers of VXX has just not been able to get through that area right there. So if we do come through 36.55-ish, about midway in those candles, and we do take out that line, that fear really could start to run. So I think two important areas we need to watch is that 36.55 and then up here about 37, let's just call it 38. So above 38, you really might want to rethink those longs, and we might want to look at some shorts. And I've got some shorts dialed in ready today if something happens. Now, as far as the stock picks right now, we're going to be looking at some longs, and these are a few longs I've got on my watch list ready to go. They are primed. They're good-looking charts. One is IBB. IBB here has broken out of this 136.15 level. We've popped up and pulled back with a little bit of rest. A nice little bullish Hiromi coming right off the T-line up into here. On positive trading, say above 38, 35-ish, I would look for that 41.80 and then maybe 144.15 or so to be tagged up there for a nice little swing trade. Another one I like is Microsoft. Again, Microsoft has rallied up. You can see here we've broken out of that 197 level. On positive trading here, watch for 205.80 and 208.50, maybe for a little swing trade profit taking up there. Let's see, we'll take a look at Apple. Here's Apple. If it starts to move up, watch that 376. And actually, I had another one up there. I don't know where it went to, but I'd watch that 390. Let's just get to 390, about 390. I believe, a number's been put on this, 400 up here by some. And Apple can do it. So this might be a buy signal in here, whether or not it's the actual buy signal for today. Being Friday and all, markets may be in a little question. But I'm ready to fire if this thing starts to move up. PayPal is another one that is trending up very nice. We popped up, pulled back to the T-line. Kind of a Morningstar type signal here. On follow through, watch for 177.60, 181.95, or maybe even 182 up there. Snap has just been a dynamo. Now, if you're brave enough to play, it's a little high for me up here. If you're brave enough to play some Snap, Stop-wise, if it started getting below 224, I don't think I would want to be in it. I would only want to be in it if it's above 24, and then watch target up here around 25.90, 25.80, 25.90, something in that area. So anyway, that's a few trade ideas that I have for this Friday. I think Fridays are great for taking some profits. So that's pretty much what we'll be doing. Please, hey, I want to remind you too. Somebody asked me the other day on the scanner with all the scans, because if you for a combination, there's thousands of scans you could actually use. So I've been asked by a few people that may be a bit overwhelming. So the way to do that, or what to do, is Ed has posted some favorites on here. Ed has asked several very good traders to put their favorite scans up here. And here's some favorites. So what you do is you go to the main application window, and right under here, pre-configured alerts, you just simply click on that drop-down caret there, and you'll see some favorites in there. There's 1 through 6, and then there's some in below here. And it's like the bull V-stop trap. What this is it's the bullish 3/8 trap in combination with the V-stop, volatility stop, for those that don't know what that is. And if you just one left click on that, see how it fills everything in. It fills everything in for you. So really all you have to do is title it, and I'm just going to write test here. And then I'm going to come over here. I'm going to set all scans alert on this time frame to daily. You're going to need to make sure that you pick the watch list that you want to watch. It comes out of the box looking at the CBOE top 400. You can use the SPY, S&P 500 if you want, the Russell 1000 if you want. You can use all U.S. stocks that the live trading alert scanner looks at. And this is also all, and this will include Canadian stocks as well. And then all you do is create window. Boom, create that window. Now I'm going to close this, and here's what comes up, just like this. Now something I like to do is right click and then go over here to style, and I'll show you what I like to do. Clean that up a little bit. Take that check mark off. Move this to 15 or 16. My eyes aren't that good, so I like 15 or 16 for the font size. And I just like this color, aqua. I like alternate colors, and what that means, alternate color rows. See how this is black, gray, black, gray, black, gray. I like that. And then come over here and then just drag that little ball right down there to make it black. Say OK, and now you're all done. Now you're all done. And that's all you have to do. And that's all set up for the 3/8 trap, and that's killer. That's killer. Oh, I forgot to mention, coming from the PBO, this is pullback opportunity with a V-stop on this particular scan. OKTA, I bought a little of this yesterday. OKTA. OKTA. Nice little rounded bottom, little pullback here. Very nice little cup, little handle in here, Morningstar signal. I'm looking at 213.60, 226.80 for a target up here. So this might be a chart somebody's looking for. If it slides down and shows continued, I'll say support over this 196.30, I may even add to it next week if it doesn't do anything today. So, alrighty. Hey, everyone. Have a wonderful weekend. Again, this is Rick with Hit and Run Candlesticks, and today's date is Friday, June 26th. You guys all have a great day trading, wonderful day trading, and don't forget to subscribe. This weekend, I'm going to be sending out a YouTube video with instructions how to get in the trading room for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday for free. You just got to subscribe. All right? Take care, everyone. We'll see you midday maybe.